नमस्कार. आज आपण इंटरनेटचे जे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत तर ते क्वेश्चन्स आपण आज बघणार आहोत. इंटरनेटमधले जे AIचे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत की जे आपल्याला परीक्षेला येण्यासारखे आहेत ते प्रश्न आपण आज बघूया. तर यातला पहिला प्रश्न काय आहे, AI करियर डू नॉट रिक्वायर एनी स्पेसिफिक स्किल ऑर क्वालिफिकेशन मेकिंग देम ॲक्सेसेबल टू एव्हरीवन. याचं उत्तर आहे फॉल्स. Which of the following app can be used on Android smartphone to lock important apps? त्याचं उत्तर आहे आपलं ॲपी लॉकर्स. What is one of key feature of AI and machine learning technology? What is the one of the key features of AI and machine learning technologies? High degrees automation. How have AI systems evolved over time? They develop increased capacity for the various tasks. Which of the following is an example of complex text analysis performing by hand? Sentiment analysis. You are a new city and want to order food using the smartphone app. The app displays the list of nearby restaurant and menus option tailored to your preference. What technology enables this personalized food the recommendation? याचं उत्तर जे आहे हे आपल्याला तिसरं ऑप्शनचं उत्तर आहे. What is used to determine customer behaviors and provide further recommendation in food order apps? Machine learning algorithms. What has contributed to the continuous improvement of the smart technology? What has contributed to the continuous improvement of smartphone technology? Competitive market dynamics. When is health and fitness tracking on smartphone more impact? When connected to the smartwatch. Smart home appliances are traditional household devices that can be controlled remoted through the AI driving solutions. याचं उत्तर आहे ट्रू. What does the term knowledge representation in AI refer to? What does the term knowledge representation in AI refers to? How information is stored and organized for AI's use. Next question. इसका आंसर देखो. ठीक है. In supervising learning, the computer is similar to a student learning from example. What is the significant advantages of pursuing a career in AI? A wide array of growth opportunities. Which of the following characteristics of machines learning? Learning from experience and adapting. In which sector AI integration creation job opportunities? Agriculture and construction. Software developed with AI skill can make applications smarter by recognizing space and patterns. Which industry is exploring AI for self cars? याचं उत्तर आपलं आहे थर्ड ऑप्शन. What is the common thread among the various industries that are hiring AI professionals? They all aim to make their operation as smarting using AI. Which of the following statement correctly analyze difference between DSL and cables modem? DSL modem connect to the phone company's office using the standard phone lines. Analyze the role of spider in the functioning of search services. How do spider contribute to the efficiency of the search engine? By continuously updating the database of search engine with the new information. Which file method could be if you want to upload changes to website hosted and internet service provided? File transfer protocol. Identify which one of does not require any custom software to be installed on the user computer. Web-based file transfer. Which feature of social networking site typically includes photo, personal details and the contact information? Profiles. Evaluate the focus of corporate pages on Facebook, various Lincoln. Branding and selling product on Facebook. What is the one of the key factors contributing to the growth of AI careers? Expanding job openings. Machine learning algorithms on the social media platform analyze a user like, shares, comments, click and time spent on each post to understand, predict the user the preference. याचं उत्तर आहे ट्रू. Which of the following action could best help you minimize the risks of computer viruses from unsolicited emails? Installing and using the spam blocking programs. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. True. Evaluate the components of email signature that are the most critical for ensuring professional business communication. Which of the following best describe these components? Sender name, company website address and social media handles. Analyze structure of URL. Which part of URL HTTP for www.example.com indicates the protocol using to connect the resources? HTTPS. Analyze how business to consumer commerce allows startup companies to compete with the larger established firms by reducing the need for traditional retail outlet and the large marketing staffs. Narrow AI is designed to perform a wide range of tasks and is not limited to the specific function. याचं उत्तर आहे false. What is the main difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? The presence of the label data. In the contents of semi-supervised learning, what can be linked to the label example? त्याचं उत्तर हे पहिलं आहे. दिसते? सबमिट. Which components of the reinforcement learning is responsible for taking the action? Agent. What is the transfer learning? A machine learning techniques where knowledge gained from one problem is applied to a different but related problem. Okay. What is the one significant potential benefits of the super intelligent AI? Faster program solving in various domains. Image recognition can categorize object or the pattern. याचं उत्तर है सेकंड. Evaluate the role of JavaScript is enhancing website interactivity. Which statement has described its function? JavaScript is used within the HTML to trigger the interactive features like opening new browser windows. What ethical concern is associated with the super intelligent AI? The challenges of controlling an AI smarter than the humans. Why is informed decision making essential in the context of machine learning and personalized advertising? It ensures that the user buy more product. The development in machine learning could foster art creativity by assisting artists in generating new ideas for their music, arts and stories. True. What is the significance of the machine learning AI? Machine learning allows AI to learn from data and improve its understanding. How many different types of intelligence are there? 8. What do AI and ML stand for? Artificial intelligence and machine learning. What aspect of intelligence does not machine intelligence excel at compared to human intelligence? Logical reasoning. The collaboration of human intelligence and machine intelligence is expected to create a more powerful and productive workforce in the futures. True. What is the primary role of AI in e-commerce? Recommending products. In the future, how are human intelligence and machine intelligence likely to work together? Humans and machines will collaborate to solve the complex problems. What does the practical application generally refer to? Real world use concept of technology to address the specific problem. Which section of the act deals with the sexual offense using the computers? 67A. What is the key step in training a machine learning model? Preparing the data. What does NLP stands in the concept of the AI? Natural language processing. Which of the following could most likely not to the symptoms of a virus? The web browser opens the CD-ROM stop the functioning. An advanced education background in computer science, math, statistics is generally required for entry-level position in AI. True. Bias in AI can only originate from the data used and not from the way of AI systems are programming or from human actions? False. How can companies make AI more sustainable in the terms of energy usage? Offset cabin emissions with the AI projects. AI ethics involves ensuring that AI systems are used in the way that respect human values, rights and privacy. True. Image, you are the part of the team developing an AI system for the healthcare applications. Your team has discussing the ethical consideration related to the project. Which of the following three keys areas of AI ethics could be most relevant to your discussion? Transparency, fairness and privacy. Imaging part of developing same questions आहे. Transparency, fairness and privacy. What is the relation between AI technology and the laws that govern in? AI technology involves faster than the existing laws. Evaluate the role of top level domain in the URL. What does the TLD in the URL www university edu typically indicates? The type of organization. Legally, you should take the consent permission of other person before taking their pictures and recording their conversion. याचं उत्तर आहे ट्रू. How can tracking the biometrics with the AI help individuals assess their health and take corrective action? Which section of the IT Act deal with the misuse of the digital signature? 72. Which section of deals with the identity theft using the computer? 66C. Which section IT Acts identify theft using the computer? 66C. Which section of the IT Act deals with any information sent using computers for creating, analyzing, heart rate, etc.? 66A. Which of the following is not covered under the IT Acts? Privacy. I have real strong password, so I should be able to use it for years. True or false? False. What is the time to change your password? What is the best way to choose a new? Choose something you can remember but modify with the complex pattern that only you know. What section IT Act 2000 deals with the punishment of cheating by the impression by using the computer resources? Section number 60D. To protect a computer from virus, you should install antivirus. QuickWheel is the example of antivirus software. If you are the part of WhatsApp group in which of your employee is being harassment by the senior colleague, what could you do? Report to the management. Determine which statement best explains the relationship between the internet and web. The internet is a physical network. Are often delivered to PC through an email attachment and are often designed to do virus. Analyze the difference between JavaScript and PHP based on their execution environment. Which statement is the correct? JavaScript execute on the user's computer. Which of the following statement best describe the impact of plugins on the browser functionally? Plugin installed automatically and integrated with your browser. What is the main purpose of artificial intelligence? To make machine think and learn like humans. What technology allows a smartphone to understand and predict your typing or voice command? Natural language processing. What is the primary goal of teaching machine through machine learning AI? To enable machines to minimize human intelligence. What type of AI can create a new content such as music or art? Generative AI. What is the artificial intelligence is the part? As option A, second. Which of the following is not the antivirus software? Code Blue. All of the following are example of real security, privacy except span. In AI, what is the first step of the machine learning? Data collection. Which utility operates automatically as a part of browser and is often required by website to fully experience their content? Plugin. Career guidance provided by AI driven system is primarily based on individual work experience. False. Which of the following best describes the function of the internet? It connects millions of computers and resources worldwide. Why general AI considering a significant scientific and technological challenges? The aims to understand and perform a wide array of tasks. What is the key benefit of AI based smart home appliances? They require no manual operation. Initially, GPS technology was developed for which purposes? Military navigation. AI driven system can provide a translator information, allow a user to access new and information from sources in their preferred language. True. What do doorbell and security cameras with the smartphone connectivity allow you to do? View and interact with the visitor remotely. How can AI system contribute to the network security? They can protect against unauthorized access. How can AI system contribute to the network security? They can protect against the unauthorized access. What aspect financial planning involves? Analyzing and managing investment, portfolio management. In the development of COVID-19 vaccine, what role did AI preliminarily play? Accelerating vaccine trials and research. Which of the following technology is primarily responsible for ensuring that web page have the consistent appearance? CSS. Which type of utility program is designed to enhance safely and appreciation of the web content for the children's? Web utilities. आत्ता आपण इंटरनेट, वेब अँड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मधलेच काही AI संदर्भात आणि काही इंटरनेट संदर्भातले आपण आता काही क्वेश्चन्स पाहिलेले आहेत. हे जर आपल्याला व्हिडिओ आवडले असेल तर आपण ह्या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलचं नाव आहे निश कॉम्प्युटर वाकडेवाडी. माझं नाव आहे प्रशांत बाळू टेंबरे, पुणे. माझा मोबाईल नंबर आहे 9527903029. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.